Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream lotion at home. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, including a carrier oil, a butter, distilled water, and an emulsifying wax. It's crucial to have all your tools clean and sanitized before you begin. We'll discuss the importance of precise measurements and proper heating to achieve a stable and luxurious lotion. Get ready to create your own personalized skincare product. Now, let's dive into the emulsification process, which is key to a smooth lotion. You'll heat your oil phase, containing oils and emulsifying wax, and your water phase, with distilled water, to approximately 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the water phase into the oil phase while continuously blending with an immersion blender. This creates a stable emulsion, preventing separation and ensuring a consistent texture for your cream. After emulsification, it's time to cool and preserve your lotion. Continue stirring as the mixture cools to about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the ideal temperature to add your broad-spectrum preservative, which is essential for preventing microbial growth and extending shelf life. Always follow the recommended usage rate for your chosen preservative. Once cooled, transfer your beautiful homemade lotion into clean, airtight containers. Finally, let's talk about customizing and storing your homemade lotion. You can personalize it by adding a few drops of your favorite essential oils or skin-safe extracts once it's fully cooled. For optimal shelf life, store your lotion in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for meal prep, as well as other helpful deals. Enjoy your custom-made, nourishing cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.